In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the NASDAQ index on TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or simply need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. We'll ensure you know exactly how to access the NASDAQ index, making the most of this powerful platform for all your trading needs. To start, you'll want to open a new chart, or if you prefer, a blank chart on the TradingView platform. This is your canvas where all the action happens. Once you're set up with your chart, direct your attention to the top of the platform. Here you'll find the symbol search bar. This is your primary tool for searching stocks, indices, and a variety of other assets. It acts like a window into a vast world of financial data, allowing you to precisely pinpoint the assets you're interested in. Now, let's get specific. In the symbol search bar, type in NASDAQ. This simple step will lead you straight to the information you need. If you're looking for more particular indices, you might type in NDX for the NASDAQ 100 index or IXIC for the NASDAQ Composite Index. These symbols represent key segments of the NASDAQ and will load the respective index chart and information you are seeking. Occasionally, you might notice that your search yields more results than you'd like. In such cases, there's a handy little trick you can employ. You can filter these results by selecting indices from the drop-down menu. This will help you hone in on the precise NASDAQ index you're looking for, eliminating any unnecessary clutter from your search results, and providing a more streamlined experience. Once you've narrowed down your options, select the desired NASDAQ index from the list. This action loads the chart along with all its associated data right onto your screen, ready for analysis or trading. Now, a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, the NASDAQ index data available by default is typically on a delay of about 15 minutes. If real-time data is crucial to your trading strategy, you may need to invest in a paid subscription or purchase real-time data from a broker partnered with TradingView. It's an investment worth considering if every minute counts in your trading decisions. Speaking of trading, if you wish to trade NASDAQ indices directly, ensure you're connected to a broker that partners with TradingView. This connection will allow you to place trades seamlessly within the platform, integrating your analysis directly with market action. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding the NASDAQ index on TradingView. Follow these steps, keep those tips in mind, and you'll be navigating this part of TradingView with ease, setting yourself up for informed and timely trading decisions. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading!